looking girl like me. Yeah, yeah. So they tell me that you're looking for a girl like me. So they tell me that you're looking for a girl like me. You're looking for a girl like me. I'm looking for a girl that's a queen, like I need their views on the screen. I'm looking for a girl that's a freak, like Shakira, she got the physique. I'm looking for a girl who's a boss, who's a star, who's a total icon. I'm looking for a girl who's a light in the dark, who's a diamond in the sun. I want a girl like me, I want a girl like me. A girl that's a masterpiece, a girl that's a mystery. La-la-latina, 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 la-la-latina. She's a girl like me, a girl like me. Yeah, every time she moves, she makes me feel like la-la-latina, la-la-latina. I like Latinas, the way that they move, the way that they dance, the way they get in the groove. I like the way that they talk, the way that they walk, the way that they look, they're the talk of the town. I need a girl who's a 10, I need a girl who's a gem, I need a girl who's a force, I need a